informational book for you. I pulled this from the nonfiction section of the library. And this book is called I Can Read a Map. If you remember when we learned about maps, give me a thumbs up. Very good job. You push those down. I can read a map. I can read a map. I can read a map at the zoo. Ooh, I noticed that I see photographs. That's one of our nonfiction text features. I can see the whole zoo on the map. The places on the map have labels. Some of you have heard us talk about what?
Labels.
Is that another nonfiction text feature?
Yes.
Some labels are words. I can find the bears. Boys and girls, point to where the bears are. Very good job. Is that another nonfiction text feature to have a map?
Yeah, and you can also find buffaloes.
Some labels are symbols or pictures. The key tells me what they mean. What is this called, boys and girls?
Symbol.
What is different about this word?
It's gold.
It's bold. Is that one of our nonfiction text features? Yes. Now I can find food. I can find the seals. Let's go. I have learned things from maps. This map shows where polar bears live. There are many other kinds of maps. A road map shows roads and towns. Have you ever seen a map like this, boys and girls?
Yes.
Miss Robertson's room, very good. A weather map shows how hot or cold it is. It is chilly in the north. Brr. Is today hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold. An atlas is a book of maps. I can find my state in an atlas. Here it is. Oh my goodness, what is this, boys and girls?
Glossary.
Glossary. And a glossary tells us what our words what?
Mean.
And what is this, boys and girls? Does anyone know what this is? This isn't something we've talked about yet. This is an index, and this tells me what pages I can find information. Do you see how nonfiction books have text features? Yes. So what I want you to do is you're going to choose an informational book as a triad. So that means your group all has to choose one book together. Say that with me. Choose one book together. Tell that to your neighbor. Check back in 3, 2, and 1. So you guys are going to choose one nonfiction book, and I want you to make sure your nonfiction book has text features. And I want you to see if you can find a nonfiction book on something we've already learned about. So it could be on bats. It could be on maps, because we already learned about. It could be on landforms. It could be on shapes. It could be on colors or texture or any properties of matter. It could be about the moon, because we started learning about that today.
What about penguins? What about the research?
We have not learned about penguins yet, but you are welcome to find a book on penguins. Can Judd get his own book? No, only one book per triad. Once you get your book, you're going to bring it back to your table. And this is what you're going to do with your book. You're going to make an advertisement just like Miss Bree.
What does that mean?
The video first. I'm going to pull up my advertisements from my book.
How do you make it?
Courtney, what are you doing? What are you supposed to be doing? What are you going to do? Sorry, boys and girls, sometimes technology has it has a problem, just like we always have oopses. So we're going to try and see if it can open another way.
Oh no, I'm lost. What am I going to do? I know I can look at Google Maps. Uh-oh, I don't know how to read this. I know. I'm going to go to the library and check out. There's a map in my lab all about rocks by Trish Reed. This nonfiction text has it all. With a fun rhyming word scheme, it talks about longitude, latitude, how to read maps, compass rhymes. It even has super cool nonfiction text features to help me out, including a glossary and an index. If you're looking for a great book on how to read maps, it's a lot of fun. Check out. There's a map on my lab all about maps by Trish Reed.
Do you see,
Oh no, I'm not.
do
I
you,
know I can look at Google Maps.
do you see how Miss Bree made her advertisement? That's what you're going to get to do. You're going to get to use your Chromebook to make a video just like Miss Bree. Yes, Michaela?
I'm going to connect on that book.
What was your connection?
I have like a book, but they not gave it to me. But it was brown with some writing things on it, and it was little. And I opened it on the last page, and it had a map on it.
Very good. So, Courtney, I see your hand up. I'll get to your question in just a second. Caleb, I see your hand up. I'll get to you in just a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, where could I find informational books? And I heard you guys telling me earlier that they are in the nonfiction section. So we need to know, where is the nonfiction section? Is it over there?
No.
No, there are no books over there. Is it over there on the carpet?
No.
Is it in the back of the library?
No.
No, it's not. The nonfiction section is labeled with this poster. If you see this poster, you know those shelves are nonfiction. Let's say that together. If you see this poster, you know those books are nonfiction.
Cover on the wall.
Stand up. Push your chairs in. Hold hands with your triad. Jace's triad, line up here. Philip's triad, line up here. Kaylee's triad, line up here. Anastasia, hold hands with me. Emma's triad, line up behind them. You'll need to communicate how you want to walk so you don't hit each other. And Caleb's triad at the end. Thank you guys for figuring that out. You may now let go of your triad's hands, now that I know you know who you're with. We're going to walk to the, I'll wait. We're going to walk to the nonfiction section of the library. Your triad, when I say go, is going to choose how many books?
One.
And you're going to bring it back to your
What
table.
is the computer?
We'll see in a few minutes. We're not there yet. Do you see the nonfiction section?
Yes.
So you may choose from this side, 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 or this side. Can you choose from over here? No. Can you choose behind you where it says nonfiction?
Yes.
Yes, you can. On the shelves, you will see pictures just like in the quick picks. These pictures tell you what books they have. This picture says Texas. Have we learned about Texas? So can you choose a book from Texas? No. It says Native Americans down here. We are going to learn about those next week. Are we there yet? No. What about if it says maps? Yes. Maps are right here. Could you choose a book on maps? Yes. Ready, set, go. Stay with your triad. Go stay with your triad. So how do we learn about these things? Can you choose? Remember, you work as a team. So stay with your team. Where's the other person? You work as a team. Have we talked about sharks before? With Miss Bella? So could you do sharks? That was yesterday. Stay with your team. Sterling, you're leaving your team. You cannot leave your triad. Has Miss Bella read your book about wildcats yet? No, she read your book about sharks, which is the next novel. You can choose sharks as a triad. Which, so you can do rock, paper, scissors, or you can come up as a tissue, whatever you choose. Yes, because we learned about you guys found your book and you're walking to your table. Way to go. Did you guys find your book? Very good. Now go back to your table.
Our table's over here. Over here,
Could you do that? Is that nonfiction? Is it going to teach us about things? About 1 minute. Left. 30-second warning. Girls, men, 2, and 1. All right, lay your book flat down. Close your book. You may not love your book, but we're going to just use one book for this day. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so what we're going to do is you are going to create a book trailer about your book. So we're going to include some questions. We're going to say, what do you notice about the text? Keep your books closed so you know what your expectations are. Where can we find more books that are like this text? Did Miss Breed include that in her book trailer?
Yes.
Where did I say you could find the books?
Non-fiction.
Non-fiction. And boys and girls, I want you to think about, why do you think the fiction section and the non-fiction section of the library are different? Don't answer it. These are things I want you to think about to answer in your book talk.
Wait, book talk?
A book talk is an advertisement. So, I'll wait in 3, 2, and 1. How could I choose a nonfiction text, and did my text help me understand the topic we learned about in science or math? Boys and girls, did your text cover something we learned about? If it did, give me a thumbs up. Very good, we did that. Did you choose a nonfiction text? So are those already done? So now I'm going to give you a couple seconds to discuss these questions. What did you notice? Where could we find more books? And why do you think the fiction and nonfiction sections are different before you start planning your book talk? I'm going to give you a few minutes to discuss all 3 questions. You are not talking yet. Ready? Go. Okay, so we've answered some questions, so now you know about your book, right? And I heard really good noticings. I heard people noticing text features. I heard people noticing that the information was real. I heard someone say that you can make money to create a lemonade stand, and they're going to do that themselves because they learned how. So now we have to talk about what is an advertisement. If I see an advertisement, what is its goal? What does it want me to do?
Try to buy it.
I want you to buy it. Right, that's perfect. If I grabbed Alma and How She Got Her Name and I said, this is a boring book and I don't like it, would you want to read it? No, if I tell you Alma and How She Got Her Name is all about her family and how special they are and how wonderful they are, and this is a really touching book that will make you think about your family, would you want to read it?
Yeah.
Yes, so you want to make your book sell. You want other kids at Stevenson to see this book trailer and say, I want to check out Brown Bats, or I want to check out Discovery Atlas, or I want to check out Money, or what kind of sharks did you get? Nurse Sharks, or Mount Rushmore. So I'm going to show you one more example that Miss Breed did on balances, and your job is to look and see how Miss Breed tries to sell it to you. Think about, what is Miss Breed saying to encourage you to check out balances?
If you're looking for a nonfiction book with text features, I have the perfect book for you. Check out Balances from the Robert Louis Stevenson Library. This book has it all. It has a table of contents, headers, bold print, diagrams, photographs, how-tos, a glossary, an index, and more. If you want to learn everything to know about balances, check out Balances at Robert Louis Stevenson's Library. If you're looking for a nonfiction book with text features,
So what was some ways Miss Breed encouraged you to check out that book? What did I do, Kaylee?
You found all the information.
I found information. What else did I do, Emma?
You showed us a lot of words that we learn about.
So maybe I showed you the book itself. I showed you some information.
That you talked about, and you said it has a glossary, an index, and it had headers.
So if I was going to give that book preview to a teacher, would that be a good book for a teacher to pull if they were teaching nonfiction?
Yeah.
Yes. What else did I mention? I mentioned something about the book. Very specific about how to get the book. Jacob. I mentioned though.
I don't know.
The very beginning, I told you about the book and how I got the book. Where did the book come from?
Mary's library.
Jacob, where did that book come from?
Stevenson's primary library.
Right, because if I don't tell you where to get the book, are they going to know? If I tell you I want a chicken sandwich, are you going to know where to go buy me that chicken sandwich?
No.
No, you might want Popeye's chicken sandwich, or you might want Chick-fil-A's chicken sandwich.
Yes.
But you need to tell me where. So, Miss Breed also made a script, so she knew what she was going to say. This is a script. A script is where you write down what you are going to say.
Make it once more.
Check back in 4, 3, 2, 1. So before I let you get to make your own script and make your own presentation, because you're about to get there, we're going to go over what Ms. Green expects. Because do I ever give you something without telling you what you are expected to do?
No.
No. So you're going to rate yourself. Did you find a nonfiction book about a subject we've learned? Happy face or sad face? What should you all have right now?
Happy.
I made a visual presentation. Have you done that yet?
No.
No.
Happy.
That's what Ms. Bree did, the movie. Did you record your presentation? Have you done that yet?
No.
And the last part is going to be a writing. One book I want to read is. So what I'm going to do is I am going to let you have time to make your own script. And you have my script as an example. If you would like to add your own poster promoting the book, I brought you construction paper. I brought you markers that you are welcome to use. I also brought you, but I did not bring you glue. So if you're just wanting to cut out if you wanted to make like the M like McDonald's or the S like Stevenson, you can do that. But can you glue? No, so I didn't bring you glue. And I brought you pencils. Your job, I'm going to give you about 8 minutes, is to make your script and your poster if you want to make your poster about your book. At the end of the 8 minutes, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to record your presentation. If you understand, give me a double thumbs up. Very good job. You may get up when you want to get the materials you need. On your mark, get set, begin. We're going to make a script to go with your book. This is an example. Did you raise your hand? Here's a sample script. You're going to make your own, because see, this was Miss Bree. So you can do it however you want. I want you to try and think about what you're going to say when you go on the camera. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to do the minutes and you're going to do what I want to say when I go on the camera. Because if you don't find it out, you're going to Does that make sense? Yes, that's why I'm doing it. Kind of like when I do it. So, guys, you're going So make sure you are writing your script as well. So when you don't go from the camera, you're like, Yes, so boys, put the markers down. You're going to write the whole script, what you're going to say. You're going to This is exactly what Ms. Breen said. Check out how these are and then a cult come up with
I want to
does that make sense?
like